Hi guys, welcome to this video about a problem on YouTube which seemed to be quite widespread. I mean, it doesn't happen too often, but it's very widespread. It doesn't affect only a few YouTubers. It seems to affect almost everybody every now and then. So that's the error could not update video settings. Please try again later. No matter how many times you click on publish or what you do, you can go ahead and go to all the tabs and change settings and click on publish 100 times. It doesn't solve the situation. You can even go to the channel and the overview. Here I don't have it anymore, but you will see then your video on top, and on the right side there's a button publish, and you can click and you will say and it doesn't solve the situation. So what can you do? What should you do? I can tell you there's nothing to worry about that. It's just a temporary problem. You don't have to do anything. Don't do any crazy stuff. Just leave your video open on this site and check back every now and then. You can open a new tab with YouTube and you can keep working on other videos. No problem with that. Just leave the original page open. I don't know, maybe if you could even close that, but I would not recommend to do that. I would recommend to leave it open, and after some time it will solve the issue anyway. So this is the thing. I clicked 10 times or so here on publish and it didn't do anything, so I left. I even locked my computer. I mean, I put it on standby and I came back 2 hours later, and when I checked this site, I didn't even have to refresh, so it was at the end on this page. And I checked my channel, and as you can see, everything is fine. So there's nothing to worry about that. I have checked also other videos, other websites, and they had similar effect. And yeah, so it seems it's a temporary thing. You don't have to ask or report it to Google. Looks like they see it automatically. Probably it will pop up on some support site from them, or I don't know how they solve it, but it looks like you don't have to support, you don't have to do anything. It will just solve over time. Stay on the site, give it some time, and it will be solved automatically. So that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you on this channel later, sometime, somewhere. Thanks, bye.